I'm a real believer in customizing Vectorworks. I think that if there's a lot of tools here you don't use, you should get rid of them. If there are tools here you want to move into different orders, do that. If you want to add extra tools from that you found in legacy areas, do that. I've got a whole set of utility tools that I've made, and I've added those to my workspace. The right mouse click can be edited. Here's a whole bunch that I've put in myself here. If you select an object, right mouse click, here's a couple that I've added in here. Objects from Polyline, roof face. These are things I use a lot, so add them to your right mouse click. Just don't add too much, that's all. Now to edit your workspace, go to Tools, Workspaces, and choose the Workspace Editor. If this is the first time you've done it, then edit a copy. But if you've already edited your workspace once, edit your current workspace. So you can move your menus around. These are object context, that is when you click on an object. Document context, this is when you click away from everything. We've got tools, and you can add tools. You can add your own tool sets. Here are all my custom tools down here. And to add a tool, you just drag it across, let go. Get rid of it, select it, and delete it. So, customize your workspace to make it faster for you. Get rid of things you don't want, add keyboard shortcuts to things that you use a lot, and add hotkeys to tools that you want to get quick access to.